Solar is the company that I've been working for last 6 years. Offices in Gurgaon. Offices in Gurgaon. And so we have been doing a lot of rooftop projects, a lot of ground mounted projects. So Haryana is also one of solar states.
I think Hanif is looking after the renewable energy thing of Haryana.
Yeah.
So अभी आपका इस चक्कर में interaction कम
हाँ,
है.
interaction ज़्यादा हुआ है इससे recent past. Yes.
Sir, Rani है वो
Each continuously doing something. Yeah, you know, it's very
Very active.
Very active with the study also. So he's updating continuously. One is, I think around 10 years back he came and I came to know that he is going to USA.
Yes, sir.
For the PhD.
I had gone. PhD तो करके आ गया मैं.
तब बात में तो इससे ये पता लगता है ना कि मतलब इतना बिजी होने के बाद हम लोग जब भी एक बार मेरे को रोहतक
जी सर.
दे दे किसी का काम था
सर
तो यू आर ऑल्सो अपडेटेड विद
एक डिग्री नहीं है इनका कम से कम 20 डिग्री है
कंटिन्यूअसली ही जिनका मतलब प्रोसेस कुछ ना कुछ करते हैं.
सर विमल से भी आपकी मुलाकात शायद नहीं होंगे.
विमल
सर विमल हमारे साथ बैच में 92 में मैकेनिकल में थे सर. And he is outstanding another businessman, another industrialist. He is running his own company in Delhi, sir. तो आप थोड़ा सा विमल.
So when I was doing my engineering, so in my college only I had decided कि job तो नहीं करनी है. My father was a school teacher, तो सब कुछ खुद ही करना है. तो in fact I knew.
इसलिए भी है कि जो इनकी मदर भी इंश्योर वेरी फेमस.
जी सर जी सर.
So I knew it will be tough. So since it is going to be tough, I thought I'll start in college. So in third year, I had started my business. I had thought that I'll start from a small level, and in the initial years before I get married, I will face all the failures financially. So later I'll get settled when I'm, in 30s and 40s, because then it is difficult to fail financially.
फेलियर्स जो काफी चीजें उससे सीखने.
नहीं, I was expecting, like I was prepared for it.
अर्ली जो फेलियर्स हो उतना ज्यादा
So let us start because our time 5 minutes over हो चुके हैं. So we can continue discussion after the meeting. Sir, with your permission, we will start. Sabha.
Okay, so I'll just extend a welcome from on behalf of the Alumni Association of batch of 1993. Good morning, sir, and dear batchmates and the meritorious students who have worked very hard to achieve this opportunity. Let me just give a briefing about ourselves. Like we started about 28 years ago with our bachelor's degrees from Jamia Millia Islamia. And as you all are aware that at the moment Jamia Millia is celebrating its 70th year, we have completed 100 years, Jamia Millia Islamia. And we have been placed at #1 position among the central government institutions, and we are one of the best 10 universities of India. And today, actually, what's behind us is a very important factor which runs India. That is, we were founded by Mahatma Gandhi, and we follow the ideologies of Mahatma Gandhi in our institution very deeply. In fact, I was looking back and I was able to recall when we were studying, we had been party to anti-reservation birth, wasn't it? So as far as I remember, and we had also participated in the demonstrations against the satanic verses, a book by Salman Rushdie. So we were also privy to all these protests, whatever we felt is not right for the society. We were not afraid to go ahead with it. Even in today's circumstances, the students of Jamia Millia Islamia, they are not apprehensive about voicing their whatever views or whatever they feel about the sensitive issues. They just go ahead. But being from Jamia Millia Islamia, we have been taught to keep whatever we are doing within a peaceful and modest form. We do not go out of the limits. We do protest, but peacefully. That has been the ideology that we particularly for it. And you know, at the moment, most of us from 1992, we have almost reached the pinnacles of our careers, and we have decided to give back something to this great institution. And this particular merit scholarship is one way of us giving it back to the institution. So I welcome everybody. Those of us who have not been able to come and join us physically in this celebration, I will welcome you all also online. And those of you who are with us, please welcome to the ceremony. Now I will request Professor Ibrahim and Dr. Hanif to give the awards. The first award goes to Chavi. Chavi is from computers. She scored a perfect 20 in the 2 semesters. She is getting 20,000 rupees as a merit scholarship for her achievement. Okay, the second award is for Karishma. Karishma could not come because of the pandemic, so Chavi and Ilham, we will be handing over her certificate to you.
Karishma, may we request you to switch on your video?
Can
She
you
has
see?
joined remotely.
Karishma, can
Yes,
we see you?
she is there.
And say something.
Karishma, we are going to hand over your check and your certificate to Ilham and Chavi. Congratulations from all of us.
Please unmute your mic. Karishma, unmute your mic, please. Yes.
You are going to get 15,000 rupees for your outstanding work.
certificate on her behalf, please.
Come Ilham.
Thank you, ma'am. I'm so grateful for this opportunity.
This is from the batch of 1992.
And the certificate also.
The third awardee is Ilham. She is getting a scholarship of 10,000 rupees. She's not very far behind, only a difference of some few
Some
points.
Congratulations.
Congratulations. ये नहीं सब पता। So our next program on the list is address by our batch lead Sanjeev Agarwal. Should I introduce or it would be better?
Please, we request you to introduce him.
Okay, he is the CEO of Rampelis Solar Energy, and he is one of the 92 batches prize collection. The rest of the story he is going to tell himself. Please welcome.
Thank you, Sabha. It's like a pleasure to be here, and I'm really proud to be part of this great institute. I won't be able to say with a lot of confidence that we are better than IITs or the MITs of the world, but I think the type of the passion that we saw amongst the faculty members here is unmatched. And the type of institute, ultimately any institute is made up of the students and the faculty that we work and spend time for 2, 3, 4 years. And I can only advise our upcoming students that you should take this opportunity to learn as much as you can from your fellow students, from the faculty, and try to find out what really works for you. I don't think I was one of the most visible guys on the campus. I was probably one of the most invisible people on the campus. So in fact, Sabha was asking me, were you in the mechanical?
So that tells the story. So, but that doesn't take away the fact that it has been a great journey from those days onwards. When I just saw when I was coming, I saw the posters about the exams. I could recollect when I came for exams here, for the admission exams. And those were like absolutely a lot of anxiety, a lot of anxious days about what's going to happen. But I think the key is that you take every day as it comes, because you can't plan too much in the future. And if you plan too much in the future, the only thing you probably get is getting sometimes you don't feel very happy at the end of the day, because if you plan too high and then you don't achieve that, then you feel disappointed. So I think the key is that you keep on giving your best efforts, and that's why I particularly feel happy for the young students here who have been giving their best and taking their courses as they're coming and going forward. I'm sure if they continue with the efforts, they will find out the greater heights in their careers and their studies and all that. We have seen, at least in our batch, we have seen a lot of people are in very good positions with various companies in their own businesses. They are running it. Many of the people went for higher studies, and nothing stops you. Nothing stops you from doing whatever our students want to do. And ultimately, it all boils down to what is the type of hard work and what is the direction that you take. So, eventually, you will find your own place in the world about where you wanted to reach if you remain on that direction. So that is my general philosophy in the life. And I don't know what else we can do for the institute, but I am personally committed that we will try to do whatever best can be done for the students. So I run this company called Amplus Solar, which is now 100% owned by Petronas of Malaysia, which is is one of the largest oil and gas companies across the world. So I feel happy about it, that we have been able to create a business which provides employment to thousands of people, which has been able to add to the economy of the company, which is doing business in a good sector, which is like a clean energy. But at the end of the day, you have to be able to add value to the society. So any ideas that come from the faculty side, any ideas that come from my friend side, I'm all open to whatever way we can contribute. Whatever we can contribute to the development of this institution, because ultimately no Harvard or no IIM was made in one day. It's the collective effort of the alumni of the institute, which is adding up. And we all have to be willing to stand up rather than saying, why should I do it? So whatever we can do, the smallest manner we should do it, and I'm committed for that. Thank you so much for inviting me, and it's a great pleasure to meet Dean sir. I'm sure you have great students here. Almost 2,000 students are now part of this faculty, which earlier used to be like 180. We were like 60 minutes back, and that was like a very small college. It's a great progress, and I wish all the best to the coming of batches in this institute. And Professor Rehan remains in touch, and I think he makes so much of an effort. I sometimes admire him about his passion about doing the best for the students of this institute. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you. Thank you, Sanjeev. Now I'll request our president, Dr. Hanif Qureshi, who needs no introduction. He is an RPS, and he is also one of our prize collection of the 92 batch. So I'll request him to speak a few words about it.
Thank you, Sabha. Honorable Professor Ibrahim Saab, Dean Faculty of Engineering and Technology, Jamia Millia Islamia. Respected Professor Majid Jamil Saab from the Department of Electrical Engineering, and my dear friend Professor Rehan. Sanjeev, who is very much part of our 92 Batch Alumni Association, and my colleagues Vimal, Dinesh, and the others who have joined, Deepak, and others who have joined by a Zoom meeting. It is a very proud day for the Jamia Engineering Alumni Association to come back to the college and to be part of the family which the Dean and other teaching faculty so warmly welcome us here. I remember about 2-3 years ago, some of our batchmates, we were discussing that, as Sanjeev said, that we have reached not at the pinnacle, certainly not, but at certain places in our lives where we want to give something back to this beloved institution of ours. And there was no dearth of collection. People said, oh, that is not a problem. We will contribute in whatever way we can. And quickly we organized ourselves, formed an association, and launched a scholarship scheme. And I really congratulate Shavi, Elam and Karishma for the wonders and for the honor they have achieved for themselves. You are the pride of Jamia. We look towards you and we feel so proud and we feel so happy that you have taken the extra step. You have thought about what do you want to do and how you want to go ahead over there. It is such a gratifying thought. The pursuit of excellence, that's what Jamia has taught us. I remember when we were in our final years in 1992, as Sava said, there was a strike in the college and the university was closed. And we were worried where our exams will be held, where our practicals will be held. We talked to the faculty, we talked to the dean, Professor Abdul Mubin was there. And he said that we'll have it in IIT Delhi. We said, oh, IIT Delhi? Yeah, of course, why not? And all of us had our final year projects in IIT Delhi. We were interacting with IIT professors, Jamia professors, their students, and it was such a synergistic, such a close, a happy experience. That was the most pleasurable experience which I had in Jamia. Even in the face of adversity, what can we do to improve the institutions where we are? I think that is a central lesson, which also, as Sabha said, after 100 years of Jamia's formulation, how Jamia was started in 1920 in Aligarh, in a small place, shifted to Karonwag in Delhi in 1925, at a great personal inconvenience to the founding fathers of Jamia. We have come to this great journey today when we are being counted among the first, among the central universities of India. It is not a small honor. It is not a small step which Jamia has undertaken. And our vision of the alumni is that it should not be only first among the central universities. It should be first amongst all universities in India and in the world. We want to come in the world rankings. Look at the amount of research which Jamia is doing. We are working with US Air Force. Some of the professors are working there. They have patents. They have one of the most pioneering contributions. And under the able leadership of our dean and of our other senior faculty, I am sure we will achieve that. But more importantly, because of the people like the today's award winners, because of you, we can have this aim that we will move from wherever we are today. We will move. That we can imagine that, and that's because of you. As Sanjeev has very rightly said, the alumni is the real strength of any organization. And we have been meeting, the alumni has been meeting to find out ways how we can contribute to this great institution. I'm sure this is just one step of giving scholarship to the academic achievements. There will be more steps from the alumni. And success in life is not very strongly correlated with academic success. Even if you are not good in academics, you can be good in some other thing. A lot of our batchmates are not into engineering. They are into finance, or they are into government service, or they are into some other areas. We have to just discover our passions and follow it. So these were just some of the thoughts I wanted to share on this occasion. I must thank the Honorable Dean for sparing his valuable time to join us today, and we look to him for giving us guidance and direction that where we should go. And I thank all my association members for putting together this program. And again, I congratulate the award winners for today. Thank you very much.
Now I would like to request our dean and one of our senior faculty members. In fact, he has been our teacher also, Professor Majid Jamil, and our senior Professor Rehan Khan Suri, along with Dr. Hanif Qureshi, to launch the website of our association.
Sir, you will have.
So these are the initiatives we are taking. हम लोग लगे
Congratulations.
दिनेश थोड़ा सा बता दीजिए इसके बारे में.
So, like in this, we are taking certain initiatives, and this is the details about the previous year. Like we did some mentoring part of it on that day, and we gave some scholarships for that. So these were the batches. And
ये लास्ट
मॉर्निंग टू ऑल ऑफ यू. मैं जो लोग कहते हैं ना मुझे बड़ी खुश हो गई. बेसिकली ये ऐसी खुशी है कि आदमी इसको वर्ड्स में नहीं कह सकता. और वी आर लर्निंग थ्रू अगर वी आर द टिपिकल इंडियंस, तो हम लोगों की जो एक्सप्रेशंस हैं वो लर्निंग थ्रू द एक्सपीरियंस. हम लोगों से जैसे सुनते हैं उस तरीके से अपने आप को पढ़ के कुछ नहीं करते जा रहे. चीज़ों को एक्सप्रेस करने का एक तरीका होता है. तो मैं इस खुशी को इस तरीके से आपको कहना चाहूँगा, शेयर करना चाहूँगा कि जैसे लोग कहते हैं कि भाई आपको खुशी कितनी हुई, क्या हुई, एक्सप्रेस इन दी वर्ड्स. जैसे किसी कहते हैं ना कि जो आदमी बोल नहीं सकता, ये ऐसी चीज़ है कि जब आदमी को बहुत ज़्यादा खुश होता है तो बोल नहीं सकता. जैसे किसी न बोलने वाले आदमी को या न बोल पाने वाले आदमी को आप कोई मिठाई खिला दें और उससे ये पूछें कि आपको कैसा लग रहा है. सो ओनली वो अपने चेहरे से, अपनी भावनाओं से व्यक्त कर सकता है. वो उसके अंदर जो बोल ही नहीं सकता, वो एक्सप्रेशंस हो सकते हैं. मुझे आज ऐसी खुशी मिली है जैसे मुझसे अगर पूछा जाए कि मुझे कितनी खुशी है, तो उस गूंगे आदमी की तरह खुशी है कि जो मैं बोल नहीं पा रहा, लेकिन मिठाई खा के जो अंदर मेरी फीलिंग है उस टाइप की खुशी मिली. दूसरी बात यह है कि ये जो एलुमनाई एसोसिएशन है, ये बहुत अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म है. और अभी तक इसको बहुत अच्छे तरीके से यूनिवर्सिटी लेवल पर और फैकल्टी लेवल पर बनी रहती है. प्रोग्राम्स होते हैं, लेकिन इसका फ़ायदा जो है लोगों ने नहीं उठा पाया. इसको यूनिवर्सिटी और फैकल्टी इसका सही तरीके से फ़ायदा नहीं उठा पाए. प्रोग्राम्स होते हैं, लोगों को मोटिवेशन मिलता है और सर्टिफिकेट्स भी बढ़ते हैं और कुछ स्कॉलरशिप मिलती है. ये बहुत अच्छे काम है. लेकिन इसी को अगर सही तरीके से हम नेटवर्किंग करें तो हमारी नेटवर्किंग जो है वो एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव लेवल पर या फैकल्टी लेवल पर या यूनिवर्सिटी लेवल पर वो पूरी तरीके से नहीं हो पाती. एक तो मैं आपसे ये कहूँगा कि वेबसाइट ऑलरेडी इज़ देयर, नाउ इट इज़ ओपन. सो वी विल ट्राई टू meet the networking with the other alumni which are outside India or outside within India, but they are not able to come here and join us. We must be in constant interaction. और जो हमारी चीज़ें हैं, हमारी जो प्रॉब्लम्स हैं या हम जिस चीज़ में उनकी मदद चाहते हैं, उसमें हम वेबसाइट के थ्रू उनसे नेटवर्किंग में रहेंगे. और ये प्रोग्राम्स जो हैं वो इसी तरीके से चलते रहेंगे. इसमें मैं आपको बताऊं कि यूनिवर्सिटी ने जो